I have no doubt we'll talk about the fact that we live many lifetimes, and that time is a construct. So how many of you feel that you've experienced healing? Okay, wonderful. How many of you feel that you can feel that energy? Okay, wonderful. Where do you think it comes from? Like, what is it? What is it? Is there a word that we can, and a lot of people use the word energy. We need, if we can be more specific, that would be useful.
Vibrational frequency.
Okay.
It's key, like Reiki.
Okay. Anyone else?
The source, like
The divine mind.
Divine mind. Okay. It's thought. It's thought. So simple to understand. It's thought. You and I, we live and exist within divine mind. And you and I, we, are individual, unique from any other entity anywhere else in this cosmos. That's what each of us is. And that makes us special. And how do we get to be unique? We live many lifetimes, we have individual personal experiences, we make choices, we move forward, we come back into life, we make new choices. It all works. It all works. But at the end of the day, what we are is we are mind. We are eternal, infinite mind. And super important thing to understand, this table is mind. That plant is mind. There is consciousness all around us here. Everything in this room is on some level conscious. Everything. Because everything in this room is connected to and part of divine mind, which is the consciousness that infuses all of creation. So and super important thing to understand, because when you're doing healing, what you're doing is you're channeling consciousness, thought. And when you channel thought, what you do is you can heal people. The other truth is you can also not heal people. And I'm going to say this at the early, like people say, like, I don't give evil any negativity, any power. To me, all it is the absence of. It's the absence of unconditional love. It's the absence of unconditional, that energy, that mind, that thought. Now, it doesn't mean it's not real. It is real. But it has no real power. The power it has is fear. Like, that's the power it has. And we are the ones that feed it. So we can also be the ones that turn it off. And I know I'm making it sound entirely too simple on some level, but it is that simple. And so I see it, in some ways, I see divine mind, unconditional love. I see the absence of divine mind, conditional love. Conditional love is commerce, really. You do this, I'll do that. Not so meaningful. Unconditional love is different. So you do stuff because it makes a difference. And what I want to say in this is that in the research, the quantum physics research has found that there is a difference between negative thought and positive thought. And negative thoughts can do things too. That's true. And that's why curses and stuff have power. But they have power because people believe them. The bottom line. I'm cursed, oh my God. You can't make choices grounded in the belief that you're cursed. You can't win that way. So, but I would also say to you that Spirit has told me, and no question about it, Spirit has told me that positivity has more power than negativity. Positivity has more power than negativity. Positive thought is more powerful than negative thought. There is no battle between good and evil. Negativity cannot win. At the end of the day, can't win. It's not possible, because positivity is affirming, unconditional. Negativity is the absence of. So when you're thinking, like when you send a prayer, what you need to understand is it needs to be affirming. It needs to be positive. It is I don't want to visualize me killing things in my body. Thank you very much. I might miss. I might miss, and that would not go well. So, but what I can do is flush things out. What I can do is diminish things. What I can do is convert things into healthy things. I can do all that, but I don't need to kill it. If you understand me, and because if you accept that killing is a good way to deal with things, then that's not so good.